What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. And before I get started, like always, I want to let you guys know that this video, previous videos to come, is all for educational purposes only. I am not telling you to do any of these things. It is for education. All right. So today I want to jump into talking about another place that's great for personal loans and things like that. All right. I've been making a lot of videos about you guys like cleaning your credit and stuff like that, understanding the importance of it. And, you know, it's December coming into January. So we kind of going to reset this whole thing, and we kind of just going to go over a lot of different things that you all know changes all the time. All right. So today I want to talk to you guys about SoFi loans. Okay. SoFi, that's SOFI. All right. Now, SoFi loans gives out big limit loans, okay? If you need to know certain loan qualifications and things like that, please feel free to check out some of my older videos. A lot of this stuff is in my older videos, all right? Now, I update things going forward, but it's some sauce here, bro. All right, so go to my older videos, see what credit score you need to have. With SoFi, 675, but I always suggest a 690. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure that you don't want to always be barely making it, right? You want to make sure that you can literally get exactly what you need and get extras. You know what I'm saying? You really want extras. All right, so make sure you have low utilization. If you already know you have a 50% utilization, do not try to apply, okay? Make sure your utilization is about 10%. That's my magic number. I love that 10% utilization. But if you're at like 20, 30%, you can actually still apply. You'll get approved over a 675. You'll be good. All right. But me personally, I like 10% because I want to get the highest and the best loans possible that you can get. All right. Now, SoFi is basically, it's about the number one loan place at the moment. And they give, and they're not new at all. They've been popping for about a while, like a year and a half. They've been really going strong at this point. But what's cool about them that I like is, number one, there's no fees, no hidden fees, no late payment fees and things like that. Speaking of late payment, let's say you were to get the loan, right? And let's say you weren't able to pay the loan for about 2-3 months, right? Of course, you want to communicate with them, but they will literally help you look for a job. If you were to get that loan, you work, if you get fired, you get laid off, whatever, they will literally help you look for a job and pause the payments. They will pause the payments. So you don't have any late payment. Just make sure you communicate. You don't have any late payment with them. And they will actually pause the payments and help you look for a job. That's crazy. Okay. Plus no hidden fees and things like that. These are the kind of banks that you need to be looking for. Okay. No fees, and they look out for you. Okay. You don't want to just go and navigate off of people's word like, oh, well, this person never did anything, or they never, right? Don't be that person, right? Don't be that opinionated person. I don't care what you know. We're all the same. Do not be opinionated, okay? Go off of literally, what am I getting from you, okay? Because there's a lot of that I see go on just in general. Like, a lot of people say general things, but you're not giving anything, which is where people kind of get misconstrued, all right? On this channel, I come to you weekly, monthly, sometimes daily, all right? Just giving. I'm not asking for anything. I don't need anything, okay? Be and do the same thing, all right? Banks that are on your side, and I said that because you need to know the difference. Like, it's very important, because if you don't know the difference on who's actually giving you things and who's manipulating, saying, hey, don't do that, and then on the other end, they're trying to sell you something, right? When they could have just told you. And then if you want to buy it, then that's what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? But you have to understand those two so that you can see, or you're reviewing things and you can see, oh, okay, well, this bank is good with that bank because of this, or this is better than this because of this, right? Gravitate towards things that are in your best interest. Not seems to be in your best interest, not maybe. Who's in your best interest? What's in your best interest is things that provides value for you. That means have you thinking differently. That means a helping partner. That means anything that you see, you review that is beneficial to you. All right, that's very, very important. That's important in life. That's definitely important in finances because it's a lot of just fluff out there, right? A lot of people act like they know what they're talking about, but they really don't. Okay, it's a lot of that out there. So make sure you guys are staying on top. Make sure your credit is clean. Make sure you're running plays. Don't just walk around with an 800 credit score, 700 credit score, and you're not doing nothing with it. Okay, the same way you can get a $250,000 house, you can get $250,000. Easy. Okay, and I can show you how to get that 4 times real quick. All you have to do is literally simply follow instructions. If I give you 10 steps, do 10 steps. If I give you 20 steps, do 20 steps. All right, it's as simple as that. I don't know another way. All right, it's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. Go get that SoFi loan, man. I'm out.